Hey guys, welcome to channel again. I am trying to fix this drain. There's a drain here by this gutter and it's been snowing a lot here, and every time it snows this water just clogs right here. And so I tried to put in my drain clogging tool in here to try to freaking unclog it, but it wasn't. So I just started digging this area here to find where it ends. And so I wanted to show you guys how I do it and how I problem solve this. All right, let's do this. Let me show you guys. Alright, so I could see, I put a hose over there to see if water will come through, and I see water is coming up here. All right, let me show you. So what I did, I put a hose on there, so then I can start seeing water clogging out, and you can see the blue pipe right there. That's the drain, and you can see water is coming through it. So that was my troubleshooting. Put a hose in here, and then water started flowing, so I can see where the thing ends. That way, I can see it coming through right there. So we'll fix this together. So it looks like there is a root got in here that caused the thing to clog. You can see it right here. Yeah. Let me get a thing to unclog it with. So I'm gonna use a pipe like this and see if I can. That's not gonna work. I need something solid. So I got this. Now I see water coming. You guys can see it. There you go. Let me. Good. Yeah, I didn't know I was gonna have to do all this shit. Oh my gosh. It's a root. This tree over here got caused all this. Now we got all the roots everywhere here. I'm gonna have to just leave the grass off of these to make it look nice. But let's try again. Oh my gosh. I got a root in here. I can see it. I'm gonna have to get some gloves, like waterproof gloves. I got the gloves. It's freaking dirty. Hopefully I can pull that root out because it went right inside the pipe. Oh, there. Look, all this stuff was in there. Maybe there's another one still. There's this one here. All right. Let's shove this in here again. All right, so I'm gonna have to put a hose again to see if that's gonna clear everything out. This is the stuff that was in there. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's connect the hose. Okay, we're turning the water on. Then I'm gonna put a hose in there to see if that clears everything out. I think it should. So I'm gonna put it back here. You can see it's clearing everything. So everything is coming out. I'm gonna get a longer pipe, shove it all the way in. So I think that should be able to go all the way back. Yeah, it's cleaning up. Let's start again. There you go. Whew. I got this done. What a hustle this has been. Now you can see water coming through. Let me show you here. Putting the hose with the water coming through. That's moving some of that dirt. Also, I don't know if the hose is over here. Yeah, the hose is almost on the other side. Let's see if I can push them more. Yeah, there it is. So there. If you can see the green pipe right there, and the hose is over here. So that's perfect. I'm moving the hose. So I'm gonna clean up that a little bit. There. So I just put this thing here to get more water, more pressure. When I move it, push it all the way in. There you go. So that is fixed. Gosh. So I'm gonna clean up a little bit. So always clean up after you work. Make it clean. So since I fixed this, I need to put all this grass back there somehow. But I'm trying to move all this grass so water can still flow. So it's time to fix there. Put all the grass back. Need to clean up this area. Very nice. This root here. Oops. I'm gonna have to break it. I'm gonna have to break this root out of the way. There you go. Right here. There you go. Get it. This is the stuff that's blocking my drainage. Just want to make sure that this water flows. I think I got it, and that should be enough. All right, so these are the stuff that was inside my drainage. I'm gonna show you right here. These are the roots that was inside this gutter drainage right here that I was able to pull out. I can't even breathe, it was a lot. So, but now water is going through, no problems. Drainage fix. Do it yourself, save some money. I'll talk to you guys later.